Thank you so much for tuning in. If you would just love to see how I created this magical mug, just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Okay, starting off, I went to Canva and made the template for my mug that's 11 ounces. I did the width in 8 inches and the height in 3.25 inches. So this is just me sizing the uploads on the template. So now that I have everything where I want it, I'm going to hit share and I'm going to download it. And I'm going to use a transparent background and then hit download. So now I'm in Silhouette Studios where I go to print my images. So now I'm just showing you how I got the image at the top. I'm going to go to my files and find the image that I just downloaded from Canva. And I'm going to upload it. And now I'm just going to size it back down to 8 in width and 3.25 in height. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and print. And I'm just going to choose my Epson printer. And I'm going to make sure I flip my image horizontally. And now it's time to print. So here's the printed image. And I have my mug press already on. So here's the mug that I'm using. It's a black sublimation mug. So now I'm just gonna cut out the image. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of cut close to the image. And now I'm going to spray the mug with alcohol just to get the little oils and dirt off. Now I'm going to use my lint roller just to get any lint off that may be on the cup. So now I'm just going to tape the image on the mug. So now we have the image taped up on the cup. So now I'm taking the butcher paper Just cutting a strip off. Now I'm gonna put it around the mug. And make sure it's covering the mug. I just kind of put 2 because that's what I had left over, and it's added protection, so it won't hurt. I'm just taping the mug. I'm gonna cut off. I'm just cutting the extras off around it. And now I'm gonna set it in. And fire away. Okay, now it's ready. But y'all see how it turned white? See how it turned it white? Ooh, this sucker is hot. I have literally created magic. I've literally created some magic here. Okay, y'all, before I show you the magic trick, look at this. This comes from this. When I was scraping off the tape, this is what happened. I scraped, I guess, some of the sublimation solution or whatever off. So you don't ever want to use this to get your tape off. Either let your mug cool and take it off with your fingers, or just try the best you can if it's hot. But yeah, I had to do it over again. Can't get it off. The heck? And y'all remember this was a black mug. Y'all see those colors? And he got off all of the ink, basically. So once it gets cold again, it'll turn black again. Thank you guys for watching. To see more on sublimation, click the playlist on the screen. See you in the next video.